What are going?
He having Snores store. There we are. I want chicken sandwich like Chick-fil-A.
I want gummy food.
That's cost $7.87. Let's do banana cookie.
No, I want gummy food.
Stop acting spoiled 2-year-old. I want banana cookie, or you get nothing to all.
Oh, a great idea. I want some poop the job.
You need the nappy. Let's go home right now.
You watch only Family Guy.